In today's video, we will talk about how we can delete the devices in bulk from Intune and Entra portal using PowerShell script. And to do this, first of all, we have to download the PowerShell script, and I will provide the GitHub location in the description section so that you can download that script and test it. So just to update you before running the script or showing the demo, if you want to delete the Autopilot enroll device from the Entra portal, then this script is not going to work. This will delete the device from the Intune but not able to delete the device in the Entra portal. So what you have to do, you have to first delete the hardware hash so that this script can delete your Intune and Entra devices both. And to delete the hardware hash in bulk, you have to follow this video and I will provide you the link in the description section. In this, I already explained how to do the bulk deletion of Autopilot devices. Now I am assuming that our objective is to delete the Intune and Entra devices in bulk using the PowerShell script. So what you have to do, load this script in the PowerShell, and then in the user input section, you have to provide the device name in text file that you want to delete. Let's assume a scenario that I want to delete a device from Intune. Let me go to the Intune portal and go to the Windows. And let's assume that I want to delete this device. First, we will do a single device deletion and then we will do the bulk device. Let me copy this. And what you have to do, we have to go to the temp folder. Here we have a device list.txt file. We just need to provide the device name. What I'm going to do, I am going to provide one fake device name to check the script behavior, and let's save this. And now what we have to do, we have to just run this script. And then we have to connect with the right permission and then provide the password. We can see that the first device is found in Intune and this device is now deleted from Intune and removed from the Entra, and the second device is not present in the Intune and Entra because that was a fake device and it is showing device not found in Intune. And we can also find the device removal logs in CSV format. If we open this, we can see that in our input file we have two devices, one device removed from the Intune and Entra, another device is not removed because that device is not present. And if we go to the Intune portal and search for that device, we can see that device is now removed. And if we go to the Entra portal and search for that device, we can see that device is not found in the Entra portal also. So this way you can delete the bulk device. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to add the multiple devices. So let me download the report. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to add all these devices to delete from Intune and Entra. Let me copy this and save this. And now let me run this script again. Select entire script and run. And now it will check the device present in Intune and Entra and delete that accordingly. And now we also have a final summary report. Device removed from the Intune, device removed from the Entra. Yes means removed, no means not removed. So that's how you can do the bulk deletion. And if we go to the Entra portal and refresh the screen, now we can see that device count now reduced from 16 to 5. And same thing we can validate from Intune portal as well. It will take some time to show the reduced device count, but if you click any device, you will able to see that device not found. So that's how you can delete the device in bulk from Intune and Entra portal.